Okay guys, so we're here at Amicalola Falls. They have the Appalachian Trail. They have that here. And they have like this whole registration for it. And like I'm in parked in front of that building. On the building, there's a sign that says Bear Country. And it says beware of bears. That don't just freak me out. But I have bear spray. I'm just gonna control my breathing right quick. I gotta go into the visitor center so I can just ask where the trails start and everything. So we're on the blue trail or something like that. Currently I'm gonna be walking up to see the top of the waterfall, and then I'll be coming down to see the whole waterfall. That's how the trail will go. It's gonna be one big loop, but I'm gonna go on 2 different trails to get through this loop. I like when the trails are real big, like, cause then I don't feel like there's like spiders or anything on me, you know? I don't know, I don't really like spiders for real, so. Oh, not gonna lie, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. The elevation is like 734 feet. And I think I'm at like 2 something last time I checked. Let me check again. Look at this is so cute. Little trinkles of water. But we're going to the big thing. Oh my God, I feel like this is heaven. Y'all, this thing goes down and down and down and down. I wish I could swim in it. Like, oh my God. Y'all, it keeps flowing, right? And there's a little pond. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go to the creek trail. We're going up again. I'm getting that workout in today. I'm going to Slutty Vegan after this, y'all. I'm excited. So yeah, we're following the yellow. Last time I was following the red. My legs are feeling the burn, but we're going to a Planet Fitness after this, and then we're going to get us a $20 vegan monstrosity burger, and I'm so excited. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. I am in the process of taking my pants off. I got this sticker that says Amicalola Falls State Park, Georgia. It's a little lotus flower. And I was looking for smaller pictures. I wish that the last video you guys saw, I wish that that place had smaller stickers, but they didn't. So I had to get a big sticker. This place had big stickers and small stickers. This one was only $2.13. It was $1.99 and then with tax $2.13. And so, yep. This is so beautiful to add to my collection. I am about to go to Planet Fitness, take a shower, and then head to Slutty Vegan. Hey guys, we're at Planet Fitness. I packed my gym bag, which is my hiking bag, multi-purposeful, LOL. But yeah, got all my clothes, got my pepper spray and my keys, got everything that I need, and we're about to skedaddle onto this shower. Who's excited? I'm excited. So it is 2:33 and I am about to go to the Slutty Vegan in Jonesboro, Georgia, and then I'm going to relax somewhere and edit and then find a place to sleep. My body is like kicked, okay? I'll talk to you guys when we're there. Y'all, we're in traffic. Y'all, that place is too cool. I got the one night stand. It came with fries, and then I got a banana pudding and a drink. I got the dark cherry or something like that. And O to the MG. Let's try it. Great. Amazing. I love seasoned fries. I love potatoes in general. Just any potato. Give it to me and I'ma love it. Y'all, they called me a slutty virgin. We got a slutty virgin in the house. Yeah, that's how they was. Oh my god. They had this hat. It was yellow and it said like vegan on it. I thought it was cute. All right, y'all ready for this? Cause I am. That soda is good. I think it's like their own. I asked for the slutty vegan sauce on the side, but they didn't give it to me. I should go in there and say, can I get that slutty vegan sauce on the side? I'm just not like certain flavored sauces just make me I don't like it. Y'all don't understand. I was so hungry. Now I feel better. Y'all, I decided to see if there was a park in the area just so I can eat my food and have some scenery, something. I didn't want to sit in the parking lot and eat. And look at these beautiful trees. I guess there is a park. Look at my beautiful view. Yeah, buddy. And here's my beautiful food. Yeah, so I'm gonna just eat and chill right here. I'm just eat and chill right here. Yep. I'll probably start editing my video because yes, amazing because I'm under the shade, under a tree. Life could not be better right now. It's great. Guys, so we're going to a Planet Fitness so I can go use the bathroom, and I also need to wash something and I want to stretch because my body hurts. So yeah, we're about to do that and then I'm gonna probably bed down. It's like 7:30, so I'm guesstimating that's gonna take me like an hour. Then it'll be like 8:30 and then it should be getting dark by then because God Jesus dang it, it'd be getting dark at like 9 o'clock. Like